my pleasure to welcome you to Bridges 2019 and to share some of the exciting things that lie ahead of us today.
Bridges is a big event for me. I come to it now, this is my third year, and Mr. Ass present here. We love to meet old friends and new friends and meet in different schemes and talk about all sorts of bridges and their problems and how we might investigate those.
I think it's a fantastic event to meet bridge engineers, you know, the people who actually utilise our services, appreciate what we do. We're a contractor, so it's a really good opportunity to expand our contact base and just, get our name out there.
We use it to network with people, we use it to meet new clients, we use it to meet existing clients to get feedback from them, and we also use it to try and understand what sort of trends are going on in the industry and where we need to be pitching our products in future.
Well, this is the fourth time we've done this, and the last year has seen our business grow quite significantly. So we thought this is the right time, the right vehicle to develop our business to customers throughout the UK.
It's definitely the right conference for us, and probably our primary conference globally because of the type of people that are involved and the access that we can get to them.
It's been fantastic, and we just really enjoy coming, seeing some familiar faces, some new faces, and the speakers are always of really good quality, high calibre, so highly recommended.
It wasn't until we actually got on the bridge and you had to look at each individual defect and make an engineering decision based on judgment and opinion about what you thought ought to be carried out.
This is probably a little bit of a new market for us, and we thought we'd come into the bridge show. Hopefully people who are here are doing some form of works, we're building a new bridge or repairing a bridge, and hopefully seeing what we can do with this electric compressor and also ultra-low emission zone compressors for London and for soon the rest of the UK. Already we've had 2 great inquiries, one for Ireland and one for Northern Scotland.
The guests have been interested in our products in general, and we've made some good contacts in terms of engineers and fabricators, and there's a couple of good products spread around that I thought were interesting and innovative as well.
Ladies and gentlemen, that concludes Bridges 2019. I wish you all a safe journey back and hope to see you again next year or in Bridges Scotland, which takes place 13th and 14th of November. Thank you very much.